Okay, now that one's set. Open this drawer so that if that falls, it goes right in that box. And this one, I'm going to start in just a sec. Let me turn.
This is left foot.
Okay, this sound is going for this one. And ready? We can start up again. You want to swing the water or anything?
Is this my water? Or
yeah,
is
that's yours. That's mine.
I can swing water. Come on, let's get her done. Ready? Got a few of them right here. Are you ready? Okay, so this is another great track. To me, this is like one of the best tracks of the collection that I have, even though all of them I believe are pretty dang good tracks, and each one of them tells a story of where it was and what it was doing. And once again, this track right here, here's that telltale hooked heel of this animal. It's pretty, you can see it really nicely on this track, and it even comes to a point. And at this particular time, this area where this animal stepped was full of soft soil. The soil had been disturbed, and it was going along the tree line, and in that soft, disturbed soil, it implanted its foot in